Colin here, MTD Network. First of all, apologies for the look. Yes, I know it's probably not much better than usual, but no hair and makeup. They're not allowed near me. Also, I'm working from home, as you can expect, and can't find my iron because I've just moved house just prior to the lockdown. So no iron, but we'll have to deal with, there's more pressing things now. I wanted to share a great good news story. Sunday morning, I got an inquiry. Can you help make some parts? About 30 different parts, mill parts, turn parts. Did loads of different materials, so I popped it onto MTD Network. All the engineers had a look at that, and they've all stepped up to the plate. So that was Sunday morning, had a load of people interested. Now that has gone into production, so the mill parts, the turn parts, NDA, so I can't show you any of the components. Sorry about that, but they've all stepped up to the plate, as I said, and all the parts, so 20 offs, 40 offs of 30 different components, a lot of parts there, all being delivered by Tuesday, which is when they need them. So fantastic turnaround, 2 days, and that's in prototypes. Hopefully we'll go into full production run. It's ventilators, respirators, so it is a key bit of engineering that everybody needs at the moment. So that's it, a great good news story. Once again, apologies for the dishevelled look, but hey ho, it is what it is. We're unprecedented times, but I need to share the good news story with you. Keep all the good news stories coming, and also if you've got any inquiries, let us know. We're here at MTD Network and we'll keep it going. We've also got MTD Daily, just showcasing what's going on around the world of engineering, well, in the UK anyway. That's it. Thanks very much. Bye.